Good morning and welcome to day 11. I can't believe that we've got only 10 days left of our 21-day intention. Time goes by so fast. So, what I did this morning in my intention was my usual connection to myself, gratitude, challenges, obstacles, and plan. And I also remembered in my meditation, what came up was just to take space and also to remember what it's like to just be in my own essence. I know that's a strange word to say, but to just remember, you know, who we are and what we want and what resonates with us and what excites us and who we're connected to, and live in that moment and those moments in life, because there's so many other moments that we feel disconnected. So focus on where you feel connected and where your connections are. It doesn't have to be with people. It could be just with parts of nature or the times of your day or the good meal that you're having, or even the chores that are mundane enough to enjoy, that self-care that we all tend to remember there's connection to ourselves in all of it. I took a moment to also review my three intentions that I started out with, because I forget them. I just go about all the other challenges that come up day to day that distract me. So, getting back to the root of the matter here, what was your 21-day intention all about? And what did you hope to accomplish? I think one of the things that's coming out of this for me, and I wanted to check in and see if this is happening for you too, is that I'm building a routine, a sort of a baseline that I can connect to at the beginning and end of each day. And there's something about the bookmarking the beginning and end of each day that's so helpful, keeping me consistent, grounded, and anchored and in my purpose. And that I appreciate so much. And remember, all of this creation of whatever it is that you want, however it is you want to stay connected, comes from you, comes from your essence, comes from your energy. And that's what I'm holding on to today. So, welcome to day 11.